Oh, barbecue sauce and the garlic smells delicious. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I can hardly wait. Okay, so you get some baby potatoes and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Add some olive oil, some pepper, a little bit of salt, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and we give it a mix. Put that aside. We'll get our air fryer. I'm going to put a little bit of cooking spray in this too, just in case. And then we're going to cook these at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or until they're all tender and hopefully crisp. So now I'm going to add some ground beef. I'm using 1 pound. And about a quarter of a large onion. And I'll just fry all this up until the ground beef is cooked through and the onions are al dente. Now at this point, if you need to drain some of the grease from your ground beef, you should do that before you put your spices in, but mine's just fine. So I'm going to put some red pepper in, some more salt. I only put a little bit of salt in at a time because I do not want it salty, like too salty. The pepper I'm okay with. The recipe will be in the description for you guys, so you can just use the measurements that I have there, or you can use a little more or a little less. It's up to you. I'm going to put another teaspoon of paprika, and I will give it a stir. Now I like my peppers al dente. That's why I added them in after the onions. But you can add them in with the onions at the very beginning if you like. Now I'm just going to add in some minced garlic. I know fresh garlic tastes better and is more intense, but I like minced garlic, so I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of this, or maybe 3. I love garlic, so you can add in whatever you like. And I'll just let that cook a little tiny bit before I mix it in. About 30 seconds or so. Alright, I can smell the garlic, which is a good sign. I'll give that a little stir. Now I'm going to add in my bacon. I'm using some leftover crispy bacon that we had on the weekend. Plus I'm adding some bacon bits just to make it a little bit more bacon. I'm adding some barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. I am using Bullseye because I have it. Give that a mix. Oh, barbecue sauce and the garlic smells delicious. Okay, I'm going to add in some cheese. Just about half of this. I think there's like 200 milliliters of cheese total. We'll add the rest later. And just combine everything. And then just leave it on low until the cheese is all melty. Alright, we're going to assemble all this in a This is just a round casserole dish. It's like 10 inches. Just gonna give it a good spray. My potatoes ended up really nice and crisp, which is good because I don't want mushy potatoes. So we're gonna just put our potatoes in our casserole dish first. I love potatoes cooked this way, nice and crispy. It's perfect, it covers the bottom of the dish really well. Now we're gonna just spoon the meat mixture over the potatoes, just so it's covering all of them. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. I can hardly wait. Now I am making this ahead because it's only about 12 o'clock here in Alberta and it's not our supper time yet. So I will assemble everything and put it in the fridge until it's time to bake. How many of you just love casseroles? Let me know because I love them and I do a lot of videos about them, like a lot of recipes. If you have any other ideas of what you want me to make, let me know. All right. Oh, the smell. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put the other half of the cheese on top. I shred my own cheese because I feel like it tastes better and it melts better. When I'm camping, I do buy the bag cheese because I don't want to have to deal with shredding, but it does taste better. All right, I'm just going to cover this with foil. I'm going to put this in the fridge until I'm ready to cook it, and I will be back. All right, it's getting close to dinner time, so I'm going to put this in a 375 oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melty and bubbly. I'll be back. All right, this is done baking. Looks delicious. Look at that. Oh, look at that. You guys have definitely got to make this. Oh, it smells amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's a video of our completed backyard oasis.